Hello everyone, today we are making loaded layered veg nachos with creamy homemade cheese sauce and fresh guacamole. Perfect for any occasion. So let's dive right in. Let's start with our creamy cheese sauce. In a pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it's fully melted, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook this for a minute and stir continuously. Now gradually add 1.5 cup of milk in batches. First pour in half and whisk it until smooth and lumps free. Once it starts to thicken, add the rest of the milk. Keep whisking until you get that velvety texture. Next, add half a cup of grated cheese. Let it melt completely. And don't forget to season it with pinch of salt and black pepper powder. Look at that creamy cheese sauce. Set it aside and let's move on. Now let's assemble our loaded nachos. Begin by spreading a layer of crispy nachos on a baking tray and top with a sprinkle of grated cheese. Next, add kidney beans. Finely chopped onion and spring onion. Then we'll spread some diced tomatoes, colorful peppers. I have used green and yellow, and sweet corn. Finally, drizzle that creamy cheese sauce over the top for an extra cheesy touch. Now repeat the process with another layer of nachos and all those delicious toppings. For the final touch, add more cheese and top with the sliced black olives. Place the tray in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for about 15 minutes. While the nachos bake to perfection, let's sweep up a fresh and creamy guacamole. Take 2 ripe avocados, scoop them into a bowl, and smash them with a fork until smooth but still a bit chunky. Add half teaspoon of garlic powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix it all together. For that fresh burst of flavor, toss in 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Give it one last mix and your guacamole is ready. Once the nachos is out of the oven, add a generous scoop of our fresh guacamole right in the center. It's vibrant, creamy and perfect contrast to all that melted cheese. Look at this, cheesy, crunchy and loaded veggie nachos. Make sure to try this at home, and if you love it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes.